Y'all heard what she got me listening to?
Fuck in the dark. Yeah, they're right. Told my dog quit being a lame bitch. Yeah, they're right. Taking a dump on.
Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Swaze, and today we are back with another video. Today I got my friend Alicia here. How you gonna be at you when I put it on the?
Got your girl on my lap. She finna get
Say less. Okay, but we better go to the store real quick.
About to do the roll.
We gotta go to Hobby Lobby. She got me in a beam, y'all.
It's dirty right now. I've been at the beach all week.
In a beam, y'all. Chill with the feet over there. Oh shit. How old you gonna be, bro?
21? What's 9 plus 10?
21.
Yeah.
Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the boat.
All right, y'all. We at Hobby Lobby and shit. We just here for resin. Five resin.
America.
Hey, been in here?
Only like once or twice.
They have everything.
Nice candles.
They have nice wall decor. Like, first of all, this what we need. Why they got two different ones? Cures and turns white. Hell nah. There's some big ass little ball
Look
things.
at all the ornaments.
Yeah. Hey, get your tree right out this junk. Wow, pink ones? No. That's kind of calm for real. Every fucking wreath you could imagine. They got wreaths for you, wreaths for your neighbors, wreaths for your cousins, wreaths for your sisters.
My auntie likes it.
It's calm. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to pink tree. These little mushroom things is fun.
Wait a minute.
It is. It feel weird.
It's 40% off. Warm cookies. Ugh, I love that.
That's the one right there. That's the one. Like, you liking these?
No, like, look at the pictures. So this is like what I was looking at on, like that.
Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. I especially like the middle one. I like that. That's cool. We had to get some resin.
I had a lot more like covering than I was gonna pick.
We was at Hobby Lobby for like 2 hours, low key, cause we at Hobby Lobby for 2 hours.
Because I'm trying to make a bouquet for my birthday.
I want to show you the process of putting these joints together. I was trying to smoke, but with the fucking weed man, this is an L weed man. If you seeing this, L. Nigga, that was like 3 hours ago I hit you. Not a whole YouTube channel gotta know. If y'all know who my weed man is, which y'all probably don't, but either way, comment L weed man. That's strictly for him. Alright, we lab with it though. Feel me? You know I'm in the lab when I got the gloves on type shit. You gotta pour a mix. Surprise, shawty! So there's here's those sparkles that you were asking for. Yes.
Everything is
getting old, that's what that is. To get this baby chrome, just to do the squigglies, let it dry, do the chrome, and then do gonna close this video out. We ain't even get to have no sesh because the bereavement really never pulled up. Like, on my soul, like, he even texted me and was like, I'm finna pull up 30 minutes. It's been like 2 hours on God, so we gonna have to catch y'all in the sesh, but we made the trades. Y'all gonna see that. Go on, so y'all better follow her. Why is it on a good lighting? I don't know, because I'm in the sun. Yeah, see, bye.